All right, we're going to be exploring the luster of minerals. Luster refers how light is reflected off of it, not going through it, but reflected off the mineral. There are two different main types: metallic and non-metallic. It's kind of saying like fiction or nonfiction. Two big ones. Okay. Um, First one is metallic. Oh, and your luster will go right here. Minerals exhibiting metallic luster look like metallic metal, such as a silvery appearance or that of a flat piece. So if you look at these, this pyrite definitely looks like metal, metallic luster. Even your graphite and your hematite, even galena will look like metal. If it looks like metal, it's metallic. Copper would be metallic. Pyrite cubes are metallic, and they come in nice cube shapes. Just for just a little FYI, the name pyrite is Greek for meaning mineral which strikes fire, because they used to it'd be like a fire starter from a long time ago. They used to take that and strike it. They can strike it with a flint or any other like even a hematite, any kind of metal, and it can be like a fire starter. They used to use it a lot, even a long time ago. Okay, so metallic metals look like metal. So you in your book, you should have this little um, four way of dividing it up. For okay, and again, we have then the other ones, non-metallic, which means don't look like metal. Okay, so we have glassy, looks like glass or crystal. We have dull, just kind of looks earthy, and you're like, oh, that when you shine on it, it doesn't really do anything. So like this one should look like glass or crystally, like if when you put the light on it, this one shouldn't reflect too much light at all. And the waxy kind of is like in between. You know, it doesn't look like glass, it doesn't look dull, and you can feel it. It kind of looks like a piece of wax. So again, earthy or okay, dull. Here are some examples, nice dull ones. Waxy, like the surface of like a candle wax. And then your glassy. A lot of yours will look glassy. Again, some of them will look like a mix. So you can put two. You know, like on one, you can even point to it and say it's mostly glassy, but it has a little bit of dull, or on it, or it has a little bit of waxy onto it. That would be a good describer, because no no minerals usually all one. I mean, unless it's a pure mineral crystal like that. Okay. So for instance, you'll also remember that minerals are all different. So it's like this hematite, these are two different things of hematite. So this one looks metallic and this one looks dull. So it's the same mineral. Its streak would be very similar. It is the same mineral, same everything, except this one looks different on the outside. It reflects light different. Okay. So you got to be careful on it. This is not the only thing that will be tell you what mineral it is, but it is one test that adds to the many tests. And again, this definitely would be metallic. And right here, these are great examples of fluorite, and you can see that it has different things. Like look at the dull part. Here's some glassy, and here's some waxy. So some of them are just all different. Some of them have changeable color onto it when you reflect light on it. Um, so it's some of them, like this one, labradorite, which was one of your samples, glows, and it has this phenomenon called labradorescence, which gives it a little bit of different colors as you turn it around. Same with these, the tiger's eye and the cat's eye. And we have moonstone. which does that also. It'll reflect different lights through here. This is Wisconsin moonstone, and they're trying to get it as our state gemstone, but as of right now, they can't. But they say it looks like the moon reflecting. And if you wear it, you're supposed to have good dreams and lots of energy and intuition, like you'll know things. So, not saying I believe in that, but that's what some people do. All right, that's your next test.